Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So, guys, today is what? Day 13 of VlogTober. So, what I'm getting ready to do is just cook a simple meal. Vegan and chicken. It's going to be just broccoli and chicken, rice, and some sweet chili sauce. It's a simple cook with me video. Nothing too major. I really don't have anything going on. But yeah, I just want to bring you guys along. I look a mess. Alright, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the vegan chicken that is cooking, and I'll show you what it is. I'm actually cooking a bag of the meatless pieces, and it's vegan chicken, so to say. And this is what it's looking like so far right now. Okay, guys, so I have the vegan chicken cooking and the broccoli is steaming. So yeah, it's looking like how I want it to look. I was thinking, let me switch because I'm right-handed. But anywho, I was thinking that maybe I should have steamed the broccoli and then added the vegan chicken to it. I think that's what I should have did, but hey, trial and error, I'm learning. And it's getting steamed, so I don't want it to be like too soggy. I want the broccoli to be crunchy and fresh. Okay, guys, so now I'm getting ready to add this Thai sweet chili sauce. This is really, really good, guys. And I like to use this on chicken. I like to use it on vegan chicken bites. Also, the vegan chicken nuggets is really good, guys. It's not too sweet and it's not spicy. It's just right. So, guys, you should try it. And it is the Food Line brand Thai sweet chili sauce. Try it, guys. You'll like it. Trust me. Okay, guys, so the water is boiling. Now I'm getting ready to add some rice to it. Okay, guys, my chicken is cooking. And as you all know, well, in case you didn't know, I like my chicken well done. So yeah, I'm just going to let this cook a little while longer before I add the broccoli. As you can see, the rice is all done. So yeah, halfway there. That looks so pretty. Look at that bright green color. Yes. Okay guys, so this is the chicken and broccoli with the sweet Thai chili sauce, rice, and vegan chicken and broccoli and sweet Thai chili sauce. Dinner is done, man. Okay, my chat partners, I hope you guys enjoyed this video for VlogTober Day 13. It's just a quick, simple, easy meal that I whipped up really quick, and I just wanted to bring you guys along. All right, guys, you all have a great day. Always remember you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.